Hello everybody, and welcome to the inaugural USA Science and Engineering Festival.
The Science and Engineering Festival is a two-week celebration of science and engineering.
2, 4, 6, 8, what do we appreciate? Science! Science!
So I've spent most of my career as an entrepreneur. I've started up 45 high-tech and life science companies, and I could not recruit Americans to these positions anymore because they just were not going into the fields. I saw these international science festivals. I thought they were such a great idea, I decided to bring it back to the States. Because the notion of these festivals is society gets what it celebrates. So if we celebrate science and engineering, we will generate more scientists and engineers.
We really want to concentrate on making math and science fun.
I see you've got your watch glued on. Do you have a problem with being robbed? You know?
Have a tendency to try to take things, so I had to glue it down.
If you look throughout our history as a nation, technology and innovation has always been an economic driver for us. Demographically, we're kind of behind, right? We have China and India who are developing world-class engineers and scientists, and in a competitive environment, we're going to be competing with them. So it's absolutely critical to our national interest that we build that pipeline of STEM-educated people who can enter the workforce, especially considering the baby boomers are going to be retiring.
This is the knowledge age, and the knowledge age, you need knowledgeable people. And an awful lot of the knowledge that we need to succeed and have a vibrant economy, to be safe, secure, to have a good quality of life in the 21st century, a lot of the knowledge you need is engineering and science.
For speed equals distance divided by time. My friends, if speed equals distance divided by time, and the speed, in this case the speed of light, must always be measured the same, but two things still can change.
Our future is depend on education.
Unless we instill in these kids a passion for problem solving and science and technology, they're not going to get to world-class jobs. We will not have a world-class economy in the future, and it's not going to be a happy place.
I think as a society, we need to put more emphasis on celebrating science and engineering, knowing that it's that economic driver for us.
That's what we're all about, is helping these kids start their career.
But it all comes back to the fact that even though engineers by definition create technology, it's still a human activity.
We need to come together once a year to celebrate science and engineering. And I hope that we will look back and people say, gee, it was at the USA Science and Engineering Festival that I first got the idea to do this.
Be a scientist, save the world.